My name is Eric Lean, and we recently had SolarWorks install some panels on our roof, and I'm here to talk about my experience. We have an electric vehicle, and we just felt like, with as much sun as we get here in New Mexico, that it was something that probably would make sense for us. We got our first electric vehicle 4 years ago. Gas prices were fairly high at the time, and we were just looking at a different option. Once we test drove one, we saw the ease of maintenance on it. You aren't having to go to the gas station. You can charge from home. We had some pretty high electric bills, especially during the summer months, and we felt like we got some solar in here that could help even it out and kind of level out the amount that we were paying each month or negate it altogether. We recently got our first energy bill, and we actually ended up with a $37 credit that we could apply towards future months when we maybe weren't producing enough electricity to cover our bills. The installation process was super fast. We had a 40-panel system put in, which is fairly large, and it went really smooth. We had a few issues, getting the P&M to come out and install the meters and so forth. After that was taken care of, it's been up and running now for a little over a month now, and we're very happy. I would say it's a great idea. I mean, it'll pay for itself over the course of a few years, and with as much sun as we get here in New Mexico, I don't see how you can go wrong with it. I highly recommend SolarWorks. They've been a pleasure to deal with. Communication has been great, going back and forth with them as far as scheduling the install and coming out and checking the meters and making sure everything is running correctly. It's been a great experience.